Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can add the Roblox Society bot to your Discord server really quickly and with very little effort. So let us get started. So what you want to do in the first step is launch Discord, be it on your PC or on your laptop, obviously, and access the server of your choice. To do that, simply select it here on the left-hand side. So let me go with that server for the sake of this tutorial. After that, click on that arrow down icon here next to your server's name and access the server's app directory from that drop-down menu. And here in the app directory, use the search bar in the top and type in RbxSociety and select that search entry here. Click on it, and after that, here on the right hand side, click on Add App. In the next step, select the server you'd like to add the Roblox Society bot to from that menu here, and make sure that you authorize that bot on the next page so that it may gain access to your server and so that your server members may gain access also to that bot and utilize it. Also, in the last step, guys, make sure that you follow the RbxSociety's rules and guidelines and that you go through a short verification process so that you can use that bot in its full extent. And that's all to it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.